Is it time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? In this video, we will delve into ACHR Aviation. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of December, 2024, and now we are here to deliver an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has categorized ACHR Aviation as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 232.26% since we first recommended purchasing ACHR Aviation 42 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.53% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Due to recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it may shift in either direction. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $11.80 will initially signal a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 187.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 121.28% and 199.11%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 9.27% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 70.76% and negative 45.93%. This translates to a price range of $3.31 to $6.13 after a year. Our latest daily update for ACHR Aviation includes the headline, ACHR Aviation Inc. stock price up 4.91% on Thursday. The stock price of ACHR Aviation Inc. increased by 4.91% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of December, 2024, rising from $10.80 to $11.33. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.17%, with a low of $10.60 and a high of $11.36. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 53.11% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 55 million shares bought and sold for approximately $617,601,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $11.36, while the lowest price was $2.82. Currently, the price is 0.26%, or 3 cents, below the 52-week high, and 28.06%, or $4.42, below the all-time high on February 10, 2021, when the price reached $15.75. ACHR Aviation stock has seen significant gains recently, concluding the week of December 21st with an impressive increase of 10%. This surge peaked on the 24th as shares soared, sharply elevating investor interest. These developments arrive at a crucial time for the company, particularly with the upcoming start of production at its newly completed high-volume manufacturing facility in Georgia, set to introduce its Midnight eVTOL aircraft in early 2025. Investor sentiment is further uplifted by ARK Invest's Cathie Wood, who recently acquired 5 million shares, signaling strong confidence in ACHR's growth potential. This influx of interest underscores the shift towards urban air mobility solutions, which are increasingly regarded as transformative in the transportation sector. However, while this enthusiasm may lead to short-term stock fluctuations, ACHR's ability to sustain momentum will hinge on its execution in production and timely market entry. In the long term, a successful entry into this emerging market could position Archer as a leader in the eVTOL space, potentially converting these gains into lasting increases in stock price. Investors should monitor production milestones and broader market trends that will shape the urban air mobility landscape in the upcoming months. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned ACHR a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of May 2024, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity again assigned ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 27th of February 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned ACHR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of August 2023, it was reported that Benchmark assigned ACHR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Archer Aviation stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio both as sell. When evaluating the return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation Inc. stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $9.63 and $6.94. A drop below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 3rd of December 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 67.93%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 33 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 48 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 54 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 27 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Archer Aviation. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.57 and $8.94. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking through this point may lead the stock to decline to the next support level. In this case, Archer Aviation Inc. has support just below today's level at $9.57. If this support is breached, the next support levels from accumulated volume will be at $8.94 and $8.86. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.76 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 7.17%. Over the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 15.99%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Archer Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.4%. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Archer Aviation. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which implies that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for your exit strategy. On the downside, Archer Aviation encounters its first support level at $9.57. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Archer Aviation from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 18th of December, 2024, Spellacy Michael conducted an insider sale of 278,487 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Spellacy Michael also conducted an insider sale of 191,513 shares of Class A common stock. On the 18th of December, 2024, Goldstein Adam D. executed an insider purchase of 750,000 shares of deferred restricted stock units. On the 16th of December 2024, Muniz Thomas Paul conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of December 2024, Spellacy Michael conducted another insider sale of 63,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 29.215. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 33,143,083 shares and sold 15,960,181 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.93, which represents a decline of 3.5%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, leading to significant risk. There is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 16 days ago. Is Archer Aviation stock a good buy? Archer Aviation Inc. presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate or potentially an opportunity to accumulate shares while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of December, we anticipate that Archer Aviation will open lower, down by approximately 23 cents, starting at $11.10. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.